Here we are. This is something I've been wanting to see for a while. Here is a monarch butterfly caterpillar. So it's a little out of focus, but it is hanging out here on a milkweed plant. You can see it's chowing down. And this little monarch will eventually make a cocoon and then fly off and migrate south. So that's pretty cool. I've been looking for these for a while. We've got a ton of milkweed on this property, but have not seen one of these just yet. I think it's holding really still because it knows I'm here. So there's a monarch caterpillar. Pretty cool.